Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Toiletry, aka if you didn't say that, shoot Shem, we imposter, but it's okay, it's fine. My name is Toiletry, aka KG, aka Superstar. Woo, the sun-kissed bed. So in today's video, what is today's video? It's a haul. Oh yeah, it's a haul. So I went to Clicks and just came to get toiletries because, as seen on my previous video, I did not have any toiletries. Like, I did not have any skincare. I had nothing. So, and then I was supposed to go to Clicks the following day, but gwasala wanimvula, so I never made it to Clicks. I remember I just ended the video right there and then I posted it. I uploaded it on YouTube. So now we finally went to Clicks yesterday, so let's do a haul. So this is what I got. So let's get into it. First thing, I got myself a new Vaslab. Guys, I'm not sure if the sun is gonna, I don't know how it's gonna look on my video, but first thing, I got myself a Vaslab, cute Vaslab. I needed a new Vaslab. I don't like having the same Vaslab for too long. It's giving ghetto. It's giving intombazane ngazithandi man. So I got cotton pads, I got panty liners, I got marula skin oil because we all saw that my marula skin oil is finished, and I got the small one because this thing lasts forever. It lasts longer. You might even go for like 2 years using it. I got mouthwash, I got some toothpaste, I got a detangling comb for my afro because when it is wash day and I'm washing my hair, it gets so detangled. It gets so tangled, so I need a detangling comb to detangle. Yo, English. But yeah, nah, my hair basically is curly, so the curls, they just, and then it makes knots in my hair, and it's even more frustrating to undo the knots and stuff. So I'm gonna try using like a detangling comb to see, maybe it works. I don't know. I hope it does. I really hope it does. I got myself some new toothbrushes. I got myself a nail filer. I lost my nail filer, so I needed a new nail filer. I got myself, I got this shem yabona labantu ba African extracts. I got the charcoal cleansing gel instead of Garnier 3-in-1 Skin Active because Garnier is more expensive. And when I took this one, it has the same ingredients. It has salicylic acid, it has charcoal. So I'm gonna try the gel. I hope it's nice. I can't wait. It's written spot control, so maybe it might help with my breakouts because I am breaking out. I'm breaking out. It's the heat. And then I got myself this conditioner for my hair, for my afro underneath, because manga susa lady. And then I got a day cream also from African Extracts Boss. Got myself tampons. I'm a tampon girly. I'm not a prez. I'm not a prez. I'm not a prez girl. And then I got myself some deodorant. I got myself some what is this? It's a body spritzer. They also have a body spritzer, the vanilla one. I've been using it and I feel like it's not giving what it's supposed to be giving. So this girly, I've used her before and she gives what she's supposed to be giving. So I was like, instead of Oh So Heavenly, I'm just gonna stick to this Clicks brand Atomic what it's better than into. And then I got myself some soap. I had run out of soap as well. I was on my last bar. I got myself some Lanthoric body spray just for work, you know. I got myself the most exciting purchases that I made. This is another deodorant. So the most exciting purchases that I am super excited about are obviously skincare purchases. So I have these 3 girlies. These are my new skincare products that I'm going to be trying out for the first time. So I'm super excited to try this cleansing gel. I got myself this retinol serum from Discam. These 2 I got from Discam, and the detangling comb, they were from Discam. What else did I get at Discam? Cabang, isn't this Nyanezi? So this is what I went to Discam for. What else? Guys, are you serious? Oh, these 4 items I got from Discam. Then the rest I got from Eclipse. Zona lezinto lezi ezi4 eziyazini, it cost like 500 and something, but it's okay because I got a new vitamin C serum. I normally use the Ganya one, but I tolagali, like I have been looking for it. Even the last bottle that I have, it's a smaller bottle. I'm looking for the bigger bottle, but I found the smaller bottle, and I remember I had to buy 2. It cost like 500. So skincare is expensive as fuck, but my skin is like, because I'm still breaking out. I'm supposed to be flawless at this point, because what the fuck. So I'm going to be trying out a new vitamin C serum. It's a Korean brand. Ibhalwe is Korea lana. Yonke into is just Korea. Ibhalwe nje la phambili. You can't even see it. Like but maybe I'll take a picture of it and then I'll just edit on the video. But it's so cute. Look at it. It's so cute. It is so cute. I can't wait. I hope in Patagash, Ibalone is China. Oh, it's Korea. This is China. I hope in Patagash, Zombonas are being covered even more than this. Look at me in the sun. Look. And then this one is the retinol. But this one is a retinol serum, and it says wrinkles and fine lines. But I'm not trying to remove wrinkles and fine lines, so I don't know, but I'm also very excited to try it. This one is a nighttime serum. So yeah, that's it. That is my haul. That is my toiletry haul. I'm so excited. You know that feeling when you just went to Clicks or Discam to buy your things, like that's more figure and immediately so I had to hold myself because I wanted to film this video first, but now that I've filmed it, I cannot wait to wash my face and try out my new skincare products. So thank you. That is it from me. I will see you on the next clip. I don't know. It's all like I ended up going to Mag and Bean as well. I tried vlogging, but I don't have enough footage on that. It was like a solo, but it wasn't even a solo date. Like in Hilekon, because I was at the mall and I was like, you know what? Let me get myself a Long Island and something to eat, and I did, and it was so amazing. So maybe I'll add that to the video as well. And then sobona ukuthi senze njani, sobona ukuthi sisebenza kanjani. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tatum Caesar, aka KG, aka Superstar. So in today's video, right now I'm about to head to the post office to collect a parcel that has been waiting for me at the post office. It was supposed to get delivered and I have been waiting for so long for this parcel, only for them to send it to the post office. Bese bathi mina myself ngilale. Like, why was I paying for delivery then? Why? But it's fine. I'm gonna go to the post office and then get collector. I even had to call a toll-free customer service. Like, yo, I hope they have it at the post office. I'm gonna be so mad if they don't have it. I'm gonna be so mad, yo, because I'm here. Yeah, but anyway, I look so cute today. Ooh, child. I did my hair, and I know, just simple vibes. Then I keep a little tunyana and I curled it a bit, you know, just to add some. No, I look cute. Nothing else. Somewhere that I'm just going to the post office. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna find my package at the post office, but that's where I'm going. And then when I come back, I'm gonna film. I'm gonna show you guys what I went to the post office for. I really hope I find it. Okay. And then Mangbuya, I'm gonna show you guys what I was going to collect at the post office, and then I'm gonna do a get to know me tag. So stay tuned for that. So I will see you on the next clip where I'll be showing you what I got, and then my get to know me tag. But yeah, for now that's it. I just got back from the post office and I finally got my package. I ordered this like end of September, so I have been waiting, and they made me like by deliver a post office, and I had to go and collect it, and mang figure to collect it from the post office I had to pay. Imagine after all the money that I've paid and requesting to a post office. I even went to the post office abang direct kuyo. I requested to it must figure lapha abandoned, but post office ya chief dalab. So I had to go to another post office, and elabang to Mlegio. I know it, I've just never been there, but I know it. But then yeah, I went Mafia post office. There's load shedding. They can't even track it using a system, so they had to use like a paper. They had to use paperwork, but paperwork and stuff. So yeah, but this is what I got. What if, yo, I'm so anxious, like what if this is what I ordered versus what I got? So shit is we unboxing there. So we're unboxing my wig with me. I got this wig from, oh they gave me lashes. I got this wig from AliExpress, guys. Yes, sale. So first up, they gave me lashes and a wig cap, but I never use a wig cap because I don't know how to use a wig cap. But I have that, and then I have the hair. It's a 22-inch why ngapalwang? It's a 22-inch body wave. I've been waiting for this hair, guys. My god. It's a 22-inch body wave, 4x4 or 13x4. I don't know. Frontal, not full frontal. It's a body wave. Oh my god. Plus, inwele zami zifika just in time for a trip yami kuya eHarpies. So, I'm gonna build up him. Amazing. Yo, possible marubeki wiki pezwe wiki. Nababo on the nerve sebafilile. Sebabuyele esikolweni. Okay, nizoyibona kahle mase ngiyo-install, but do you get the vision? Do you when I brush these waves out, honey mase ngi-installe kahle sengimuhle ningaboni lento engiyibona manje. It's so soft, yo. Just look at this. I can't wait to install it, yo. I can't. Listen, deep brush, sana. The thing it's a face beat. Oh, can't wait. Can't fucking wait. Okay, now it ruined my hair. Wish I had to follow it. I was so excited. I thought it was never gonna come. But yeah, that is my le chapi smelling ihlafuni. I feel like I'm just. But yeah, this is my hair, guys. Look at it. It looks so good. This color, the highlights. Ciao. Watch out. Hide your boyfriends. Mangicela install la. Nigez nibe muhla. You better hide your man. You better hide your man, cause I'm gonna be taking people's boyfriends, honestly, with this hair. Singers feel angazi install no is installer, but already I'm feeling it. So it's a body wave. I'll check the specs and maybe I'll edit here when I'm editing the video. But yeah, so now I wanna sit down and film a get to know me tag. I'm not sure about this lighting though. Do you like this lighting? This spot is the only only spot in the house that has some good lighting. So I don't know. I think I'm begging Yami this weekend to install it. Oh, I have to install it myself. How will I install? Gosh, I don't know. But this is what I'm gonna be wearing for a trip, Yami. Yeah, this year I feel so spaced out. But this is my hair. So much njengoba sengimkhombile when should I upload this video, because now people are gonna watch it and then they're gonna know which hair I'm gonna have. My god, they know which hair but they haven't seen it on me. Maseng install kahle manje ngizibone phezu kwe-week, so it was okay. But anyway, this video is now becoming too long and I don't even know what I'm saying, so see you in the next clip.